Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace neutral safety switch Ford F250 step by step. Begin by disconnecting the battery and shifting the transmission to neutral, then locate the switch near the transmission housing. Gather basic tools like a socket set, multimeter, and replacement switch. Work with safety gloves and eye protection, and label connectors before removal. Test continuity with the multimeter, install the new switch, reconnect wiring, and verify proper starting and park engagement. Warm up the work area and explain how to remove the old neutral safety switch step by step. Start by labeling wires, then disconnect the wiring harness and set connectors aside safely. Use the socket set to remove the mounting bolts and keep any shims or clips in a small container. Carefully remove the old switch, inspect the transmission housing for damage, and clean contact areas so the new part seats correctly and reliably. If this walkthrough is helping you, please subscribe and like the video so you don't miss future guides. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker makes it easy to play instructions or set timers while you work, and it's handy in any garage. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one if you want. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Position the replacement neutral safety switch and hand thread the mounting bolts to avoid cross-threading during installation. Reconnect the labeled wiring harness, ensuring each connector seats fully and locking tabs engage. Torque bolts to the manufacturer specification and double-check alignment so the switch trips accurately with gear selection. Reconnect the battery, use a multimeter to confirm continuity in neutral and park, and perform a safe startup test to confirm correct operation before road testing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.